In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to your phone settings. Now from here, go to your app settings and search for Instagram. From here, you want to first go to the permissions and you want to make sure that the files and media permissions is allowed. Now you want to go back and go to your storage. From here, you want to clear its cache. Now you want to close this and go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. From here, you want to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So you should not be able to see an update button there. So if you see one, you'll just want to tap on it and update your Instagram to the latest version. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.